Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 13th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. And we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. Because on the 4-hour time frame, if we put our Fibonacci retracement from here to here, we can see that we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement. And we do have a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure to the upside. 78% is usually a pretty good area of resistance. I am definitely still very, very bullish on the higher time frames, and even if it does turn down, there's a very good chance that it could just keep on going up. But it definitely could be an area of resistance for sure. But going down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have a lower high end, so this would either be like an A, B, C, and then it keeps going up. Or potentially it could stretch out into a bigger 1, 2, 3 pattern and maybe even turn into something like this, like a 1, 2, 3 of A, B, C of B, down again for an ABC correction. So overall, I'm still very bullish. Even if it does make a pullback, I think it's either going to be just a small pullback like this, or maybe it can make a pullback to the whole 5 waves up on the 4-hour time frame. But either way, like the daily and the weekly time frame are definitely still in an uptrend. So definitely still leaning towards long positions. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.